Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic which is related to our nafs, self, its desires, and its training. This is a subject that has been clearly explained in the Qur'an and Sunnah, and the path to success in this world and the hereafter lies in following it. So, let's delve into the weakness of the nafs, its strength, and how it can be controlled. Part 1. The weakness of nafs and the strength of shaitan. The nafs is something that shaitan uses as a great weapon to lead a person astray. For the weak, the nafs acts like a lion, meaning it dominates people until they resist it. However, Allah Almighty has placed a special quality within the nafs. If a person stands firm and resolves not to commit wrongdoing, no matter how difficult it becomes, the nafs will begin to weaken. Example, this is just like a person who stands firm against their desires. As time passes, the desires of the nafs gradually diminish. The first day will be hard, the second day will be slightly easier, and eventually, the desires will disappear completely. Part 2. Comparing the nafs to a nursing child. Allama Biziri, may Allah have mercy on him, expressed a profound wisdom in his famous Qasida Burda. The nafs is like a nursing child. If left unchecked, it will grow accustomed to being nursed. If we ignore its sins and continually indulge it, it will become stronger. Explanation: just like a child who will continue nursing if not weaned, the nafs will continue to engage in sin if not stopped. But when we wean it off sin, the nafs will resist, cry, and cause discomfort, but eventually, it will stop. Part 3. The habit of sin and where true peace lies. The nafs has developed a habit of sin, and the taste of sin brings it pleasure. Lies, bribery, backbiting, and usury, these are all habits that the nafs enjoys. But is there peace in these sins? No. Allah Almighty has said, "Truly, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace." Example, in Western societies, people attain wealth, education, and pleasures, yet they still don't find peace. They take sleeping pills to sleep because the peace of the heart lies in the remembrance of Allah, not in worldly pleasures. Part 4. Striving against the nafs and Allah's promise. Those who strive against their nafs are accompanied by Allah. In the Quran, Allah has said, "As for those who strive in our cause, we will surely guide them to our ways." Hazrat Thanvi, may Allah have mercy on him, said, Hazrat Thanvi, may Allah have mercy on him, stated that Allah takes a person by the hand and guides them to the right path, provided that they first take the step and stand firm against their nafs. Part 5. Striving to control the nafs. The first step is for a person to firmly resolve that they will not commit sins, no matter how painful it is to their heart. This is called striving, mujahada. In this striving, Allah's help comes. When a person stands firm against their nafs, Allah fills their heart with light. Hazrat Abdul Hai, may Allah have mercy on him, expressed this in a verse. When a person sacrifices their desires and wishes for the sake of Allah's pleasure, Allah fills their heart with His love and peace. Conclusion: Allah's love and the path to success. In conclusion, when we control our nafs for the sake of Allah, He grants us success. There is a bit of discomfort in leaving sins, but afterward there is peace and pleasure. Allah has promised that those who strive in His way will be guided by Him and led to success. Dua: may Allah grant us success in overcoming our nafs and protect us from sins, showing us the path to His closeness. Ameen.